Hey Amazon, welcome to the inside of the RV, and today we are doing a quick comparison between the VOLTRX protein shake blender and the Power Sports by FRESCO. So first thing first, side-by-side comparison. They're about the same height. The FRESCO is a little bit heavier, but you can see the major difference right here is this, the container size. This one is just about 14 ounces, while this one is 24 ounces. So you do get a larger container blender out of the VOLTRX. Difference number two, the bases and how the bottles break apart. The VOLTRX actually has the advantage here because the bottom is solid, so you can take the base off after you blended your shake, and you can take this water bottle on the go with you. It does take off a little bit of weight, so it makes it a little bit more portable. The Power Sports, on the other hand, you cannot do that. There is no base to this once you take it off. So you have to have the blender with you at all times. There's an advantage to that. If you need to stir it up a little bit more, you just hit the button and you're ready to go. But it is a little bit heavier and it takes away from the size of the bottle. All right, so difference number three. The VOLTRX has a plastic blender piece. The FRESCO has a metal blender piece. Plastic blender piece is going to do fine with protein shakes, things very easy to mix like that. While the metal is more designed for breaking up fruit inside your shakes or your drinks. So the question at the end of the day is, which one should you buy between the VOLTRX and the FRESCO Power Sport? Well, if you're just doing protein shakes and you want something that's portable and easy to go with, the VOLTRX is the one for you. If you're looking at blending fruit into your shakes and making sure that you get a really nice mix, then the metal blade and the FRESCO Power Sports is the way you want to go. So obviously we own both and we like both. It gives me and my wife the opportunity to both mix shakes at the same time. And we have one that works great with just protein shakes. And if we ever want to add fruit and need a little bit more power, we have the other one then. As always, Amazon, I hope these reviews and comparisons help with your purchasing decision. And I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.